Today's spotlight turns to eSIM technology, a tiny chip inside phones, tablets, and wearables that replaces physical SIM cards and changes how we stay connected. Instead of swapping trays, users download carrier profiles, switch networks in seconds, and manage multiple lines from a single device. In daily life, this means streamlined travel, easier eSIM-enabled hotspot setups, and better device longevity as fewer ports wear out. Historically, the physical SIM dictated roaming charges and hardware limitations, while eSIM builds on mobile virtualization to unify identity across networks. Manufacturers widen support across devices and operators expand profiles, enabling seamless connectivity and broader compatibility.